Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to create static resource on Zoho CRM. So for that you will need to open any web browser on your computer and then search Zoho CRM. Now select the first website, log into your account right here, and just after that select this profile icon. Now select Access Zoho CRM option. Now select the settings icon and now select client script. Now go in this section of static resources and just select this new resource button right here and give a name to your new resource. Write down your description about your new resource and after that choose your file from your computer. And after that you will need to click on this button right here called save, and just like that you guys have created your own static resource on your Zoho CRM platform. So that's how you guys do it, and that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos. And thanks for watching.